Alright guys, that's my 2007 Honda CBR 600R. I got a tube of the exhaust, and I got a LED lights, tail light, which is like really awesome whenever you turn it on. And I got front eliminator kit. And let me just start it up. It's freezing right now guys, it's like 20 degrees right now. You guys can see the LED light, brake light. I'm going to turn on the signal, check it out. It's really cold right now. The bike is in mint condition, as you can see. Let me just do it on the left side so you guys can see it now. This bike is really awesome guys. I got the windshield, the black one, it's really nice. Front, and I got an inspection. Gas itself. I had to do a few stuff, like I have to adjust the chain. Alright guys, let the bike get warm up, and I'm going to rev it up. And I'm going to sell this bike. I'm going to get a $1,000R, I hope. Waiting for it for the right time. Right now, guys, there's one more thing I want to show you. I wish I could show you, but can I show you right now? It's like freezing. If you want to make your exhaust really loud, if you put the water while the bike is running, it's really loud. Maybe on the next clip that I can show you guys.